Imagine this. You're sitting in a theater, lights dim, the screen lights up. And guess what's playing? Your life story. The question is, would you watch it? Or would you want a refund? Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, a designer, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. You know, a few years ago, I realized my life had become, well, pretty boring. Work, sleep, repeat. If my life was a movie, it would be a documentary on how to survive Mondays. And that's when it hit me. I needed to start living, not just existing. Be honest. If your life was a movie, what would the title be? A thrilling adventure? A comedy? Or just loading? See, we all get one shot at this. And the best part? You are the director of your own life story. Every great movie has ups and downs, struggles and victories. The difference? The main character refuses to settle. So how do you make your life a blockbuster hit? 1. Take more risks. Yes, the best scenes in life happen outside your comfort zone. Number 2. Collect memories, not regrets. Say yes to experiences, travel, laugh, love, make stories worth telling. And 3. Be the hero of your own story. Heroes don't wait for things to happen, they make them happen. One day, when your life flashes before your eyes, don't let it be a boring slideshow. Make sure it's a film worth watching. So, what's the next scene in your story? I'd love to know. Think about it. And you can share it with me. And yes, if this message inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. Make your life a story worth telling. Keep smiling. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you.